Okay, you guys, now that we have our RODI cart assembled, we're going to show you how to turn it on, get it in production. So we're going to need a garden hose attached to a water source, and then I recommend a small piece of hose. This is an old hose that we actually blew out, we just cut off, to use as the discharge to push it away from you. So you're just going to twist that right on. This is going on the discharge, and again, it is in line, so it is open. And then connect your water source. Then you're going to turn on the water. You're going to let this flush for about 30 seconds. Make sure everything is flowing through. You'll be able to see everything fill up. Pushing all the air out, then once everything starts, all the air's out, it will start coming out. Okay, so we actually stopped the video for just a second because I didn't get a push fitting put in all the way, so I had a small leak. This is a great time to take a look at all of your push fittings, make sure everything is sealed, not having any leaks, make sure your filters aren't leaking, all of that. Okay, so after you have let it run for about 30 seconds or longer, you're going to go ahead and turn the valve into production mode. This is where your water is going to come out and go to your hole, coming out your DI. And after letting that run for a minute, you're going to use the TDS meter that was included in the kit. Turn the power on. Use the little cup to catch you some water. And then you just place it right in there. Currently running at 2. Give it another minute. Check again. Zero. Time to turn everything off and put it up. So you're going to take it out of production. You're going to let this run for a couple of minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Once it's done, you can unhook everything and put it away.